Hello, welcome back to the Crow's English Club. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the difference between bad and bit. So I don't know about other people. For me, I always struggle with vowel sounds, and sometimes I find it hard to differentiate between the sounds, and I am still practicing. And especially, I try to be careful with sounds that can change the meaning. So, bad and bit is one of the sounds that can change the meaning. So, before I look at the examples, I will explain you the lip position and the tongue position. So, let's look together. Both e and r sound are front vowels, which means we push our tongue to the front of our mouth. So they are front vowels. But r sound is an open vowel. It lies low in the mouth, and your tongue is touching the back of your lower teeth. Because r, you drop your jaw. This is R sound. But for E sound, your lips are stretched. Your lips are wide and stretched. But for R sound, it's like opening your mouth vertically, right? But for E sound, it's like you're smiling, moving horizontally. Yeah. So your lips are stretched, and then your tongue lies halfway in the mouth, not too close to the roof, not too close to the floor. So it's like you have to move your tongue vertically to produce a and e sound. Bad, bit, man, min, and, x, back, back, head, head, ham, him, sat, sit. So now we know these single words, right? So we will practice these sounds together in the example sentences. I will give you two choices. Listen to my pronunciation and tell me whether my pronunciation is correct or incorrect. So I will show you the round model first, and then I will show you the corrected one. I'm so bad at mathematics. I'm so bad at mathematics. I feel very sad. I feel very sad. Will you marry me? Will you marry me? So that's all about the difference between and sound. So one thing I want you to know about pronunciation is that the reason why I'm doing these videos is not about how to sound like a native speaker, but it's more like how to avoid miscommunication and misunderstandings because of pronunciation. So do not aim for wanting to sound like a native speaker. Embrace your own accent and trying to improve the way you communicate by correct pronunciation. That way, you can be an efficient English speaker. Also, in the next video, I will be talking about another pair of vowel sounds that can have an effect on the meaning. See you.